Okay, so if you've ever managed a large building, you know the feeling, right? You get one small report about a minor issue way up on a high floor, and suddenly you're staring down the barrel of a massive headache. We're talking logistics, safety concerns, and some truly terrifying costs. But what if the solution wasn't on the ground at all, but up in the air?
Oh yeah, you know exactly what comes next. It's weeks of planning, getting quotes for scaffolding that make your budget just weep, and the incredible disruption of shutting down parts of your property, all to investigate one little problem. It is a familiar and absolute nightmare. And look, that number, that's probably a conservative starting point for what a traditional inspection might cost for that single issue. It's slow, it can be dangerous, and it is incredibly expensive. So, what's the alternative? Well, imagine getting a complete, super detailed assessment of that exact same building, not in weeks, but in just a few hours. And for less than $2,000. No, this is not science fiction. This is the reality of modern drone technology right now. To really appreciate this revolution, we have to understand just how broken the old system really is. See, traditional building inspections aren't just inefficient, they're actively costing you a fortune. Your options have always been, well, pretty grim. A ground-level inspection with a pair of binoculars, you're probably missing about 90% of the real problems. What about a boom lift? Well, get ready for traffic management, permits, and a machine that probably can't even reach the top floors anyway. And scaffolding? I mean, that is the literal definition of extreme cost and massive disruption. And here's the real kicker. $1.2 billion. That is the annual cost to Australian property owners from emergency repairs, all caused by problems that these outdated inspections simply missed. You are literally paying for what you can't see. But all of that is changing. And let's be clear, we are not talking about some toy quadcopters from the mall. These are sophisticated, flying inspection platforms that give you a kind of superhuman view of your assets. First up, let's talk about the eyes. These drones carry cameras so powerful they can spot a crack just half a millimeter wide from meters away. To put that in perspective, that's like being able to read the fine print on a contract from the other side of a big room. It's a level of detail you could never, ever get from the ground. But, drones have other senses too. Thermal imaging lets them literally see heat. And what this means is they can instantly spot water that's trapped behind a building's facade, they can find gaps in insulation, or pinpoint exactly where energy-wasting air leaks are happening. They see the invisible problems that are hiding just behind the walls. And then there's LiDAR. Okay, this stuff is amazing. It scans your building with lasers to create a perfect millimeter-accurate 3D model, what we call a digital twin of your asset. With this, you can measure absolutely anything, plan repairs with surgical precision, and even track tiny structural changes over years. And look, this is a serious, professional industry. It's regulated by Australia's Civil Aviation Safety Authority, or CASA. So the crucial takeaway here is that you're working with licensed pilots and certified, properly insured companies. This is a safe, legitimate, and a highly regulated operation from top to bottom. The tech is impressive, sure. I mean, who doesn't love this stuff? But does it actually deliver? Let's dive into the hard data, because at the end of the day, the results are what really matter. So let's take a real-world example from Sydney. There was this 42-story office tower, and they were locked into paying a huge amount every single year for rope access teams to inspect the roof. It was just, their standard operating procedure. And as you can see right here, the impact of switching was immediate and just massive. Their cost plummeted from $24,000 to just over $3,000. The time it took dropped from 3 full days to just 4 hours. But here is the real headline. The very first drone inspection found critical membrane failures that the rope teams had missed for years, preventing an estimated $172,000 in potential water damage. Wow. This bar chart really tells the whole story visually, doesn't it? For a typical facade inspection on a high-rise, the cost difference you see here, it isn't just an improvement. It is a whole order of magnitude cheaper. It's just a different world. And for specific jobs, like inspecting all the windows on a 30-story building, the savings can be an incredible 88%. Just think about that. Imagine taking a $45,000 line item in your budget and shrinking it to just over $5,000, all while getting the job done in 2 days instead of 3 weeks. It is a total game changer. But really, this isn't just about taking cheaper photos. The real revolution,
The thing that changes everything is turning all that raw data into actual actionable business intelligence.
So here's how it works. First, the drone captures thousands of images. Then, artificial intelligence scans every single one, automatically finding, measuring, and categorizing defects like cracks or concrete spalling way faster than any human ever could. Next, these issues get plotted directly onto that 3D digital twin of your building. And finally, the system generates a simple, actionable report telling you exactly what to fix and in what order of priority. This creates a living history of your asset, and it paves the way for predictive maintenance, where the AI can eventually tell you what's likely to fail before it actually does. And this intelligence pays for itself big time. A single thermal drone survey, which might cost around $4,500, can routinely identify energy efficiency improvements that save a building up to $40,000 a year. It's not a cost. It's an investment with a massive return. So when you put it all together, the speed, the safety, the incredible cost savings, and the AI-powered data, this stops being just a new inspection tool. It becomes a genuine, powerful, strategic advantage. Let's look at one final case study from Melbourne. A firm managing a whole portfolio of 14 commercial buildings decided to switch their entire annual inspection program over to a drone-based approach. The portfolio-wide results are just staggering. Their annual inspection cost dropped from nearly $150,000 down to $56,000. And a process that used to drag on for 3 or 4 months was suddenly finished, all of it, in just 4 weeks. That is $91,000 in direct bottom-line savings every single year. And on top of that, they started catching problems earlier, avoiding hundreds of thousands in potential emergency repair costs down the line. That is the definition of a competitive edge. You see, the organizations that are adopting this technology today aren't just saving money. They're gaining better intelligence, they're preventing catastrophic failures, and they're building a digital history of their most valuable assets. They're leading the industry forward. The technology has already transformed building inspections, so I guess the only question left is, when will you?